Like, we love boys. I guarantee with girls it's not as much excitement.
You always have more to do with boys.
Oh, we're fine. We're just used to junk. See all this stuff that he's accumulated? Bubba decided to clean his room out, and now Adam's is all junky. All this comes from Adam's room.
Ah.
This is just junk. Come here, Adam. Shut your mouth.
What's he doing to me? Now, say hi. Hi! Me. Don't do that.
You're thirsty? You need any more? Here, you got a full cup. You get the chicken cup. No, or the duck. Is it chicken or a duck? It's a duck. That might be a chicken. I'm not sure what it is.
My aunt's lost her license. She didn't know where they went.
I mean, she didn't lose it. They didn't take it.
No, that's him. And so she can't find
So,
it.
without an ID, how did you guys change all that?
What I was really doing with Nita, I was trying to get some stuff straightened out and stuff. And there's one thing I still have.
But they think that's hot. You can eat it that way, but you may not like it. It's spicy. It's General Tso's chicken.
Is it good? We're thinking about
You should ask before you.
That's not good.
How about
Why'd you do that?
Tell Giovanna the Pledge of Allegiance. She doesn't think you know it's here.
Adam, come here.
This is where they ate today.
Adam, come here. I'll give you candy.
Usually it's in the dining room. Where'd she go out through the gate? Come here, you can.
Wait, hold on. Hold on. Okay, say it, Adam. Say it, and I'll give you that bag of candy. I'll give you that candy. Say the Pledge of Allegiance. Adam.
The pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good job. Now you want candy?
Yay!
You ready for that?
Yeah,
Don't put that on YouTube.
I am. I'm going to put this one on instead of the other one.
Yeah,
You,
do it.
you want some candy?
Here.
Hold on.
Here's a candy, Aiden.
Jane.
Adam, you do it now.
Can you push them out?
Pledge allegiance to the flag.
Don't do it right, and I'll give you candy like Jamin.
One nation, under God, special, just for all.
Good job. Now Adam gets candy.
It's chocolate.
I opened it for you.
Adam wants candy now.
You put it up to your mouth and squeeze it out.
Put up to your mouth and
There you go. Here's yours open. Can you across the street for me all the time.
Mm.
Yeah, I didn't know she was trying.
Adam, say bye.
She's been trying for a
Bye.
while.
Okay.
Say bye.
Bye.